Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down and select biometrics and security. Here you will notice install unknown apps, and you can give permission for some particular application. So for example, if you would like to install some application through Google Chrome, just click here and then select allow from this source. And that's it. Then you can do the same thing for Gmail or whichever application you would like to give this permission to, for example, my files. And that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.